In this quick tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to check if your WhatsApp account is linked to any other phones, tablets, or computers, and what to do if you find something suspicious. So this is a simple way of finding out if someone has access to your account and may view your WhatsApp messages, or you simply forgot to log out from a device you were using recently and you want to log out from that different device. So the steps are pretty much the same for both iPhone and Android devices. So just follow the steps in this video. I'm going to open my WhatsApp application and then click on the little Settings icon that's located at the bottom right corner of your screen. The next step is to select this Linked Devices option, which is going to open a list of all the different devices which are linked to our WhatsApp account. You can link up to 4 devices with your WhatsApp account and use them to send and receive messages. And if you see a device which you don't recognize, let's say I don't recognize this Safari device and I want to unlink or remove that device, then all I have to do is to tap on that device and then click on Log Out. When we do this, Safari won't have access to our account anymore. So those are essentially the steps of checking your linked devices on WhatsApp and how you can remove them if you see something you don't recognize. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.